Nina, I love you.
With everything ahead of us, we left everything behind. But nothing that we needed, at least not at this time. And now the feeling that I'm feeling with is feeling like my life is finally mine. And with nothing to go back to, we just continue to drive. And without you I was broken, but I'd rather be broke down with you by my side. Said without you I was broken, but I'd rather be broke down with you by my side. I didn't know what I was looking for, so I didn't know what I'd find. I didn't know what I was missing, I guess you've been just a little too kind. And if I find just what I need, put a little peace in my mind. Maybe you've been looking too, or maybe you don't even need to try. But without you I was broken, and I'd rather be broke down with you by my side. So without you I was broken, but I'd rather be broke down with you by my side.
Mr. and Mrs. Julio and Jeanette Arias.
Hi baby, I just want to thank you for this day, this evening, this experience. It's been amazing. I've had so much fun with you. I love you, and I'm excited about tomorrow, waking up with you, and every day after that, and all the dreams and adventures we want to put into play. I love you. Thank you for making this such a wonderful experience for me.
I'll be rich in time. I'll be doing fine. Cause without you I was broken, but I'd rather be broke down with you by my side. So without you I was broken, but I'd rather be broke down with you.
I just want you to know that I love you from the bottom of my heart. There's nothing more in this world than you. From this day forward, I love you with all of it. Thank you very much for giving me this day. As much as you've been waiting for this day for your life, I can tell you, and you can see it in my family, that they've all been waiting for this day for me too. So for us, I love you, my love, forever. Thank you.